how to use a video camera or a DSLR on OBS.
Perfect.
Oh, yes. The first thing you're gonna need is a capture card. So if you don't already have a capture card, then go ahead and check the link in the description below. I'm gonna pull this up so you can see what I'm looking at from my view. Now you have a better idea. This is what you should see. And you're gonna wanna go to Add Video Capture Device. And you add the source. And once you add that, see, mine's already hooked in, so we can see it here on this screen. It's already hooked up and it's good to go. But if you do not have a capture card, it will not work. I promise you that. If you still need some help connecting your video camera or your DSLR to the capture card and to the computer, just click this link right here. Now, if you still want to know how to go live, just check this link right here in the top right-hand corner, and the rest of the tutorial will be there. Please don't forget to show your support by leaving a comment below, hit the like button, subscribe, and of course, don't forget to smash that so you never miss the opportunity to be distracted.
Perfect.